In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Agoda points. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your points information and how to understand the details that explain how they work so you can make the most of your future bookings. First, start by logging into your Agoda account. Use your usual credentials and make sure you're fully signed in before you go any further. If you're using the app, confirm you're on the latest version and connected to a stable internet connection. Being properly logged in ensures that your account data, including points information, displays correctly. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is the small avatar or initials that opens your account menu. Click that icon to expand the account options. On mobile, this might appear as a profile tab at the bottom of the app, but it will take you to the same place, your personal account area. From the account menu, select Points Max. This is your dedicated section for points information. Give the page a moment to load. Here, you'll see your current point status associated with your Agoda activity. Think of this as your snapshot. It shows the balance that's relevant to your account and highlights any activity that might be pending or confirmed. Take a minute to read the information provided on this page about how points work. This section is important. It explains how points are earned, typical posting timelines after you complete a stay, and any rules around eligibility. You'll usually find details about which types of bookings earn points, how rates or promotions can affect them, and whether taxes, fees, or cancelled reservations count. Look for notes about expiration policies so you know how long you have to keep your points active, and check any mention of minimum or maximum earning limits. You may also see reminders that names on bookings should match your account details to ensure proper tracking, and that points appear only after you've completed your stay and it's been verified. If anything looks unclear, scan the FAQs or help links within the same area for definitions and examples. Small details matter here, and understanding them up front helps you avoid surprises later. If you don't see the Points Max option, it can be due to your region, app version, or account status, so updating the app or checking on desktop can help. That's it. Log in, click your profile icon, choose Points Max, review your current points, and read the guidelines so you know exactly how they work. With this knowledge, you'll navigate your points with confidence on every trip.